hidden. It's like the iceberg, base of the iceberg. And if you miss that thing, your ship is going to sink for sure. Nobody, especially for a best example is the extramarital affair. For example, the best example to you. Nobody will tell you upfront, I have this. Yeah, there is a little bit of friction at times, with me and my wife and some issues. Now, some issues, what are those issues? So be interested in that some issue. Don't be interested in that friction with wife. कुछ तो मसाला है तो सुनने मिलेगा यार, कुछ नहीं, फायदा नहीं हो. Because our attraction goes into that friction more than some issues. Are you getting? But some issue is the base of that iceberg. The tip what he is showing is the friction between me and my wife, which looks fascinating. Wow, क्या crystal दिखता है sunrise के सामने वो iceberg का tip. It has got no meaning at all. What are those some issues? If you are okay telling me, because they are sensitive, samajik sensitivity, what we call it as. If you are okay, so these are little supportive words that you have to add. If you are okay telling me, for your good, so that I can understand you better. And then you see that this extramarital thing will come in that submission. Are you getting? This is the tricky way of human language, how he molds the way of telling in a very diplomatic manner. But we have to be careful in how much diplomatic he is putting and how we can unfold that diplomatic way. Tell about that something, nahi chalega. Because that looks very blunt and abrupt, which might offend the person. If you don't mind, if you could tell me about that something, because so that I can help you. You are melting the will of the person. You are melting the ego of the person and gently asking. Are you getting? So these are the ways how people will talk. बोलने के लिए बोल तो देंगे, लेकिन उसके पीछे छुपा हुआ बहुत बड़ा राज रहता है. लेकिन शब्द एकदम हल्का ऑपरेंगे. Some issues nobody will even know and see that. Because our homeopathy says sensation word ढूंढो. Some squeezing, tightening, pulling, drawing, ये word नहीं दिख रहा उसके अंदर. मैं सबको क्या देखूं? Already डेढ़ को कहाँ देखूं? These look simple words, but there is a big issue over there. Look back at your cases. Many of the patients will give you this idea. थोड़ा सा problem है डॉक्टर साहब, but that's okay. थोड़ा problem. What is the problem? Who knows how big is the problem? Who knows where the problem is going to land up to? Are you getting?